Hello everyone, a new SME IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Greenhitech Ventures Limited. Incorporated in November 2011, Greenhitech Ventures trades various petroleum-based products tailored to diverse industry needs, including biofuels, bitumen, and furnace oils. The company actively engages in the operation and maintenance of ethanol manufacturing in government-owned distilleries. Greenhitech Ventures Limited is a non-governmental company that provides business solutions to consumers of fuels and alternative materials across India. The company is well known in the Purvanchal belt of Uttar Pradesh, India, and emphasizes effective, efficient, and economical principles in all its services and supplies. IPO opens for subscription on the 12th of April. Offer will close on the 16th of April. Allotment will be on the 18th of April. Listing will be on the 22nd of April. Minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 150,000 rupees. Price band is 50 rupees per share. Lot size is 3,000 shares. Total issue size is 6.30 crore rupees. Fresh issue is 6.30 crore rupees. Listing will be at BSE SME platform. Object of the issue is to meet working capital requirement. General corporate purpose. Key performance indicator are return on equity is 8.17%, return on capital employed is 17.19%, debt to equity is 0.95, return on net worth is 7.80%, price to book value is 3.77. Ahead of the issue opening, the company's shares are commanding a healthy premium of 15 rupees in the unlisted market. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.